In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a FreshBooks free trial. We'll walk through the process start to finish so you can get into your account quickly and start exploring. You don't need anything complicated for this, just an internet connection and a web browser. First, open your preferred web browser and search for FreshBooks. Typing the product name into your search bar is a simple way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have the exact web address handy. When the results appear, look for the official FreshBooks website. To make sure you're on the real site, check that the address includes the FreshBooks domain and that your browser shows a secure connection with a lock icon. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your information safe. Next, click the official FreshBooks result to open the home page. Once you've landed there, scroll down the page until you find the option that says Try It Free. This button may appear in multiple spots on the site, but if you don't see it immediately at the top, a quick scroll will bring you to a section that highlights the free trial. Click Try It Free to begin creating your account. You'll now see a simple sign-up screen. Here, you can type your email address directly or choose to sign up with Google if you prefer a quicker setup. If you enter an email, make sure it's one you have easy access to, since it will be used for account notifications and recovery. If you choose Google, follow the on-screen prompts to grant permission and link the account. Before you proceed, look for the checkbox related to terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Read through those policies if you'd like a quick overview of how your data is handled, then check the box to indicate your agreement. This step is required to continue. After you sign in or complete the sign-up, your FreshBooks free trial is active for 30 days. That means you can explore features, add sample information, and get comfortable without being charged during the trial period. Use this time to navigate the dashboard, try creating a sample invoice or expense, and see how the reports look with your data. If you decide not to continue after the trial, you can simply make your decision before the 30 days end. If you do love it, you'll be ready to upgrade seamlessly. That's it. You've successfully signed up for a FreshBooks free trial. Enjoy exploring and make the most of your first month by testing the tools that matter most to your business.